Welcome to the University of Ottawa Library Zotero online course. My name is Mish. Zotero is a free citation manager that lets you collect, organize, and cite journal articles and other information sources. This course teaches you how to install Zotero and how to use some of its main features. And you can feel free to use this course however you like. You can watch the whole thing from start to finish. You can jump to the specific videos where you need help. You can watch the videos, you can read the transcripts, you can download the instructions and learn by using Zotero yourself, whatever works best for you. If you have any questions, if anything you come across in Zotero doesn't match what I say or what you see on the screen, feel free to contact the library at bibliolibrary@uottawa.ca. That's bibliolibray@uottawa.ca. Otherwise, you can get started, and the best of luck.